all these different tools all have different batteries, different chargers. It can be a real pain. But there are some solutions out there, so let me show you what we're dealing with. Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Well, today we're dealing with some rechargeable tools here, cordless tools. Now, most of the cordless tools I have are Ryobi. There you go. Got these many years ago, back when they were the blue ones with the NiCad batteries, and they switched to the lithium. I don't know how long ago. This is actually a non-Ryobi knockoff battery, but I will give Ryobi credit. They have never changed their battery design ever since they went to this line of tools. It's really nice. Ryobi tools, middle quality, consumer grade, whatever, not professional. When I was looking to buy myself an electric impact, the Ryobi one at the time, I think it was rated at about 200 foot-pounds, something like that. And I didn't really want to switch up batteries because, like I said, dealing with different batteries, kind of a pain. But then I got a great deal on this Milwaukee set. Came with the impact and this cordless ratchet. Now this uses a 12-volt battery, and this one uses this M18 18-volt battery. Different than the Ryobi. I recently was partnered with Haichika. They sent me this drill. I did a review on it. Hopefully I will remember to post the link. This is reasonably priced. This is another consumer type tool. Was it about $40, $50, something like that, shipped. Comes with the drill, battery, the charger, bag, tools, all that. But once again, here we have another battery. Looks kind of similar to the DeWalt, or the Milwaukee. DeWalt's another one. Unfortunately, I don't have any of those because mix and match stuff. Well, my buddy has the same problem, and he has Ryobi and I believe Milwaukee tools, maybe even, I think he had some Craftsman stuff. And somebody gifted him this Bauer cordless chainsaw. It's a cool little tool, but he's had this sitting in his garage for like 2 years because he said, I don't want to deal with having another battery and another charger. It just doesn't make sense to me, having all these different batteries and chargers for different tools. So, when Haichika contacted me, I took a look at their offering of the tools that they had, and one of the ones I saw on their website was a portable cordless tire inflator. Now, it looked very familiar to me. Now, I went online, I started looking, and the one from Bauer, which is a Harbor Freight Tools tool line, looks exactly the same. Exactly, except theirs was red and this one is green. So I said, well, why don't you send me over your Bauer chainsaw and I'll see if I can get the battery to work on there. Now it looks very similar, and it even went almost all the way on, except there was a little bit different shape. So I had to modify this a little bit. I had to grind off right there a little bit, and along the front, this bevel right here, I added that. It was flat. Now the Haichika battery goes on here, but the tool does not work. And that is because this has a little different layout of where these pins are. So unfortunately, problem not solved. But a little bit more research, and I found this little fella here for about $20. Now this is an adapter to adapt a Bauer tool to a Milwaukee battery. Now we can use our Bauer tools with our Milwaukee batteries. we no longer have to worry about purchasing another battery system, another charger system, dealing with that sort of stuff. So if you have Milwaukee tools already and you happen to see something from Bauer that interests you, you can just research Bauer Milwaukee battery adapter. I think that's what I put in there. Ordered it online. Came in a couple days. It was about $20, like I said. And well worth it, because now we open up the Bauer line of tools to be able to be used with your Milwaukee batteries that you already have. I didn't research all of them, but I know that there are some for DeWalt, and I don't know which other ones. But it's definitely something to look into. Battery adapters. Easy day. I like it. So if you want to save some money and open up your tool line to be able to use your batteries on different tools, do your research and pick one of these things up. I'm sure there are some downsides to this. I don't know exactly what they are. This is an 18 volt battery. This is a 20 volt tool, whatever. I know you're not supposed to use this for charging. Obviously that's not going to work because I don't have a charger for that. So we just take this battery off, charge it on the Milwaukee charging system. Awesome day. Alright, if you're liking my content, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.